Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're covering another common question from our customers when it comes to microwaves. And the question we're covering this time is, can I use an oven cleaner to clean the inside of my microwave? And very simply the answer is no. We don't recommend you use an oven cleaner to clean your microwave. There's a few reasons for that. Is obviously oven cleaners are designed for ovens, they're not designed for microwaves, and as such oven cleaners usually have really quite caustic, really quite severe chemicals in them that just aren't suitable for the sometimes sensitive areas of the microwave. So it can cause some peeling away. It can just be far too harsh a chemical to use on the material that is often lining your microwave. On top of that, because of the way microwaves work and heat your food, if you use an oven cleaner, you do risk contaminating your food when you're cooking it as well. So do be aware of that. It's really important. We don't recommend you use an oven cleaner when you're cleaning your microwave. We do have another video when it comes to cleaning and maintaining your microwave oven and accessories. So if you are interested in finding the best way to do that, you can find it on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.